Hello everyone, welcome back. So, this is our third part of chapter 4, third part of वीडियो का बेटा हम ये हमारा थर्ड पार्ट है of chapter 4 of science, and our chapter 4 is life cycle of plants and animals. So, in last two parts we had discussed about life cycle of a plant, and second is life cycle of a butterfly. Now today we will discuss about life cycle of a silk moth. Life cycle of a silk moth. So I have given you homework to read the life cycle of plant and butterfly. So firstly you will tell me that what are the various stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. Firstly we will talk about butterfly. Okay, tell me. Yes, you are right, beta. So first stage is that female butterfly lays down eggs on the leaves, then larva stage, then third is pupa stage, after that adult butterfly is there. Very good. So beta, life cycle of a silk moth is very similar to that of a butterfly. Okay, जो बटरफ्लाई का लाइफ साइकिल है, ठीक है, और जो सिल्क मोथ का लाइफ साइकिल है, दैट इज़ वेरी सिमिलर टू ईच अदर. सो there is only one difference that I will told you later on. So now we will discuss about the life cycle of a silk moth. So first stage is tiny eggs are laid by the female silk moth on mulberry leaves. Okay, first of all you can see silk moth here. This is a silk moth insect. Okay, so eggs are laid down by the female silk moth on the mulberry leaves. So this is the first difference. देखो बटरफ्लाई भी एग्स ले डाउन करती थी और सिल्क मॉथ भी क्या करती है, एग्स ले डाउन करती है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेज इज सेम ना, बट जो सिल्क मॉथ है बेटा, इट ऑलवेज लेज डाउन इट्स एग्स ऑन मलबेरी लीव्स. And there are no specific in the life cycle of a butterfly, there are no specific leaves. ऐसा कोई specific leaf नहीं है. Butterfly can lay down its eggs on any leaf. Okay, but silk moth lay down its eggs always on mulberry leaves. So this is the first stage. Now second is after some days these eggs hatch into larva विच आर नोन एज कैटरपिलर्स. कहते कुछ दिनों के बाद इन एग्स में से क्या निकलता है बेटा, एक वॉर्म लाइक क्रिएचर निकलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड लार्वा. एंड लार्वा ऑफ बटरफ्लाई एंड सिल्क मॉथ, दोनों के लार्वा को हम क्या कहते हैं, कैटरपिलर. क्या कहते हैं हम, कैटरपिलर. ओके, बट द you can see the larva of both is different. You can see here the larva of butterfly, this is like this, you can see, and the larva of silk moth is like this. Their physical appearance is different, but larva second stage is same, that from the eggs larva hatches and this larva is called caterpillar. So this stage is same beta. This caterpillars continuously eat leaves and grow in size. कहते ये जो ये लार्वा है बेटा, they eat leaves because they cannot move here and there in searching of food, so they dependent on the leaves for food. They continuously eating the leaves and grow in size. Okay, after some days then this caterpillar enters the pupa stage. Now third stage is also same. In butterfly also there was a pupa stage na, in this also here is a pupa stage. Now you can see the difference of pupa. Here pupa is like this and here pupa is like this. Okay, so but stage is same, the caterpillar enters the pupa stage. Now during this period the caterpillar spins a net around itself. कहते इस पीरियड के दौरान जो कैटरपिलर है वो अपने अराउंड एक नेट को स्पिन करता है, मतलब नेट को बुन लेता है अपने अराउंड. आई टोल्ड यू इन बटरफ्लाई ऑल्सो ना, दैट जो बेटा लार्वा है वो रेस्ट करता है इनसाइड अ सॉलिड कवरिंग, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड क्राइजेलिस. उसमें क्या होता है, क्राइजेलिस था, ठीक है. बट इसमें क्या है, इसमें जो लार्वा है और यू कैन से कैटरपिलर है, इट स्पिन्स अ नेट अराउंड इटसेल्फ. ये भी अपने अराउंड एक कवरिंग बना लेता है, ठीक है, कैटरपिलर. द कवरिंग अराउंड द कैटरपिलर इज नोन एज cocoon. बट इसमें जो कवरिंग है वो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, cocoon. बट इन केस ऑफ बटरफ्लाई इट वॉज क्राइजैलिस. ये आउटर कवरिंग क्या थी, जिसमें जो कैटरपिलर ने रेस्ट किया था और कैटरपिलर जिसमें ग्रो किया था, एंड देन इट ट्रांसफॉर्म्स इनटू अडल्ट बटरफ्लाई. सो दैट covering was chrysalis in case of butterfly. Now in case of silk moth it is called cocoon. It is called cocoon. Okay, so the caterpillar spins a net around itself, अपने अराउंड एक कवरिंग बना लेता है, and that covering is called cocoon. Okay, so cocoon provides a protective coating for the pupa present inside it. Obviously it provides a protective coating, means it protects the pupa present inside it. Now this is a pupa stage ना, so इसके अंदर बेटा जो caterpillar और you can say जो pupa present है इसको क्या करता है ये, it provides a protective coating. Now this is a third stage. Now last stage, that is the fourth stage. After about 2-3 weeks, कहते 2-3 हफ्तों के बाद, 2-3 हफ्तों के बाद means how many days are there? After 21 days. Okay, near about you can say, not exactly, it can be 15 days, it can be 17 days, or it can be 21 days. So after 2-3 weeks, the pupa present inside the cocoon make a hole in the cocoon through which the adult moths escape. उसके बाद कहता है जो प्यूपा इसमें प्रेजेंट होता है बेटा, ठीक है, कुछ हफ्तों के बाद आफ्टर 2-3 वीक्स इट ग्रोज इन साइज. ये क्या होता है, ग्रो करता है इसके अंदर. when it fully grows, जब ये पूरा ग्रो कर जाता है, when it converts into it transforms into a adult silk moth, then it makes a hole in it. तो ये इसके अंदर क्या बनाता है, एक होल बनाता है, and then the adult silk moth emerges from the cocoon. तो उसके बाद जो अडल्ट सिल्क मॉथ है वो क्या हो जाता है, बाहर आ जाता है ककून में से. सो दिस इज़ द फोर्थ स्टेज. सो आफ्टर दैट अगेन फीमेल सिल्क मॉथ लेज डाउन एग्स ऑन द मलबेरी लीव्स, एंड देन अगेन आफ्टर फ्यू डेज worm like creatures hatches from the eggs, that is called larva, and larva of silk moth is called caterpillar. And after that this caterpillar goes into the third stage, that is pupa, and this caterpillar spins a net around itself, or you can say made a covering around itself, that is called cocoon. ठीक है, then after through it the cocoon provides a protective coating, मतलब इसको protect करके रखता है. And then after 2-3 weeks, when this caterpillar becomes a adult or transforms into an adult silk moth, then it makes a hole in this cocoon and it emerges out as adult silk moth. So this is the life cycle of a silk moth. This is very similar to butterfly, but where is the difference, that it lay down its eggs on mulberry leaves. And second difference क्या है बेटा, second difference is that this in the pupa stage, ठीक है, इन द प्यूपा स्टेज उसकी आउटर कवरिंग को हम क्या बोल रहे थे, किसमें वो अपने आप को हाइड करता है, क्राइजैलिस. एंड इन दिस स्टेज इट हाइड्स इटसेल्फ इनटू द प्रोटेक्टिव कोटिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड cocoon, that is called cocoon. So this is the difference. Okay, so like butterfly, here are also 4 stages in the life cycle of a silk moth. Now one more important thing about silk moth, वो क्या है बेटा, see this etc point etc. सिल्क इज़ obtained from silk moths बेटा. जैसे हमारे सिल्क के सूट्स वगैरह होते हैं ना, सिल्क फैब्रिक होता है, सो वो कहाँ से मिलता है हमें, तो ये सिल्क कहाँ से हमें obtain होता है, फ्रॉम सिल्क मॉथ्स. हाउ वी obtain the silk from silk moths? The cocoons are collected before the pupa turn into adult silk moths and silk is obtained from the cocoons. कहते जो cocoons है हम इनको collect कर लेते हैं, जो ये cocoons outer covering है ना, ठीक है, because it is ये क्या है, एक नेट सा होता है ये, ठीक है, दैट इज स्पिन्ड बाय द कैटरपिलर इटसेल्फ. इसमें वो एक थ्रेड सा होता है. सो वी कलेक्टेड दैट cocoons एंड आफ्टर दैट वी obtained silk from these cocoons. So basically silk is obtained from these cocoons of silk moths. Okay, so this was the life cycle of silk moth. Now this was our third video in which we have discussed about life cycle of a silk moth. Now please read this life cycle at your home, page number 48. This is very easy. This is very easy and interesting chapter beta. This is very easy. And now in next video we will discuss about life cycle of an ant. Life cycle of an ant. Okay. So in next video we will discuss about that. So till then, bye bye everyone. Please read the life cycle of plant, life cycle of a butterfly, and life cycle of a silk moth. Please read these 3 life cycles at your home. Till then, bye bye. We will meet in next video. Bye everyone.